Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Syukur Alhamdulillah. I'm so proud of the teachers, the schools and the kids. The teachers are really amazing. I'm speechless.
IDRISSI Preschool program is one of the best program, I guess, because my kids are first batch of this preschool program, and they are exactly enjoying a lot, as well as we parents are also learning a lot of things from them. It's
because of the setting up of the school is very environmental friendly. You got a lot of trees. They have goats also, and then my kid so in love with the school. They're looking forward every day to come to school. I think because of the setting. We always talk about the drama corner, so he always tell me what he's been doing in drama corner. Like he has to perform, he has to sing, and then become somebody else. So maybe he's been telling me a lot of that. Maybe he liked that the most.
Different activity, and like the farm, like the chef, the firefighter that there, and this little hutch. And before this, Mama, I throw stones. We have to say Labbaik Allah, and we have to wear white towel. Macam at least the knowledge is there. Macam dia dah dapat this knowledge at this early stage. Memang is good lah. Alhamdulillah.
It's very amazing how they can put all the information into the kids about like something. This is like very adult thing. And then when I talk about haji, then he can talk a lot because I'm also going for haji this year. So when I thought I'm going to haji this year, then he can tell me also you're going to stay one night at Mina. You have tawaf, so it means that he's learned at school.
Fantastic! We're learning through play.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very creative, and they're having fun. So, and everybody looks like they're enjoying themselves, including the staff.
It's good for the class. They can explore everything and anything. So that